So I'm going to have to explain that all again. That's our situation right there. Now let's answer some questions. Here we go. We're going to choose one member at random, and we want to find the probability. Remember from 2 days ago, that's going to be the things we want. That's the good things over the total, right? So let's start with this first one. The probability that someone has a guinea pig. Well, how many people are in my club? 60, right? How do you know that? Right here, 60 members. If you add those up, you get 60. That's my total. And how many of those, now you have this written down somewhere, how many of those people have guinea pigs? 37. There's our first one. Yay. Yeah? Okay, let's try the next one. Now, this is an interesting thing. I want you to notice I'm going to change something really quick. We're going to do this problem, and we're going to do this problem. In math, the word and the word or mean different things. And is where things overlap. You have to have a gecko and a guinea pig at the same time. Or means everything. And you might want to write that down somewhere on your paper. And overlap or everything. So you could have a gecko or a guinea pig or both. I don't even care, right? So let's do the probability that you have a guinea pig and a gecko. You have both things. So my number on the bottom, 60 again, but who has both? How many have both? 13 to 13. How did I get that? Right there. Right? Now, I'd like you guys to jump to D. They have a guinea pig or a gecko. Who has a guinea pig or a gecko? Do the math. So here's what, guys. I'm not going to answer any questions if you're not following along. And that's fine. You do you, but we're going to have some harder math coming up. So everyone got an answer for the or? How many people have either a gecko or a guinea pig? Oh my God, you just have to add. 52. Thank you so much. They're killing me. Okay, that literally was 7th grade math. Here we come to a little bit harder probability. Now on this one, I need everyone to take a look at this. When it says given that, that changes my denominator. I am only looking at my guinea pig people. I don't want everyone. I am looking, this is called conditional probability, just my guinea pig people. So I want to know, given that they have a guinea pig, that is 37 of them, how many also have a gecko? So just looking at my guinea pig folks, how many also have a gecko? 13, 13, awesome. Right now, I would like you with your table mates to do F by yourselves. Given that they have a gecko, who are my guinea pig folks? Nice, 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 nice. So start now with the gecko people, right? Just look at the gecko people. Out of those people, who has a guinea pig? And Liam was right. We're still getting that 13 on the top. But my gecko people is 28. Okay. So now I'm going to put one up for you to try, and then I'm going to come around and help you. So the first thing we want to do here, this one's for Justin. Here we go. My sci-fi club, the sci-fi, I forgot the word club, has 17 full of, sorry, not nerds, members. So the first thing I want you guys to do is to please draw me your Venn diagram, right? So here are my Star Trek people. Here are my Wars people. Think how many, ooh, 2 have nothing. So add those up. See how many we've double counted. Put that in the middle. Give it a try. I'm going to help you in a second. Go ahead and give that a try. Draw. Sorry, baby. Draw. You guys look so cute today. I like when you wear your you look super cute. So first we're going to add up the total. So we're going to get. I think we have more than. I think we have 25 total in my club, and I only need 17. I only have 17, so I think there are 8 double covered, double counted. First, so here's your step. Add up the members, 10, 13, and 2. That's too many. Find how many are double covered, put that in the middle, right? And then I'll help you on the next part, right? So here's what I know. If I add these up, I get 25. But my club only has 17 members, which means I'm getting some people double counted. How many are double counted? 8. So my 8 is going to go right here. Now let's look at the Trek people. I need the total of the Trek people to be 10. I've already used up 8. How many are left to get me to 10? 2. I've got 13 Star Wars people. I've already used up 8 of them. How many more? 5. Are you cool? Everyone set up. Now here's, I'm not going to lie to you. When I did these problems last night, and I did, what you need to do right now is check your math. And here's how you do it. Add this, plus this, plus this, plus this. You better get 17. I'm telling you, you get one number wrong here. This is one of those problems that's got multiple parts. You're screwed the whole way. So real quickly, 8 plus 2, that's 10, plus 5, 15, plus 2 more, 17. I'm good to go. Okay, I'm going to stop for a minute, and I would like you to do this right here. Start those, A, B, C, and D with your neighbors. Here you go. I will move it up a little bit so you can see it. Work together. So it's every other person that is not in a Star Trek circle. Yep, yep, beautiful. And don't forget the 2 chicks who are just coming for snacks. So everyone who is not in the Star Trek circle, not in the Star Trek circle, everyone who's not in the Star Trek circle. Nice, nice. Guys can put me out of a job. I'm gonna put some answers up here. Do not like Star Trek. Out of 17, do not like Star Trek. 7. Like Star Trek or Star Wars. I think that's gonna be 15 out of 17. I just took out those 2, right? Given that they like Star Wars, that means I'm just looking at my Star Wars circle, just my Star Wars circle. That's 13 people. I want to know who also likes Star Trek. So 13 is on my bottom, 8 is on the top. So 8 out of 13. And given they do not like Star Trek, so we're going to talk about everyone but these guys. So we're talking about these 7 people. Of those 7 people right there, they don't even like Star Wars. In other words, they're just there for the snacks. So that is going to be 2 out of 7. How do we do? Do we do okay? Do we do okay? Now, here's where we're going to get a little weird here. We're going to finish these last 2. So on this one, we are just, ooh, and why did I have an E on both? You are doing the pick thing, right? So get ready. Here we go. Probability. We're choosing out of our bag. So we got 17 names in the bag. 17 names in the bag. There is 2 ways to do this problem. I'm going to give you a second to try it. You can do it like this. You take a name out. You look at it, and then you drop it and take it again. Or you can do it like this. A C over a C. Try it right now. See if you can do this one. You've got, think about it, it's like the marbles, right? You got 17 names in the bag, and think about how many people like Star Trek, and there you go. Oh, we're just looking at the Star Trek nerds. We don't even have that many people in the bag. Not 17 people in the bag. How many people in the bag? Who are my Star Trek nerds? So we're just looking at these 10 people, just those 10 people, right? So I'm going to give you a second, and then I'm going to do it. I know this is tricky. Yeah. Ask. Oh, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. Okay, so here we go. We're choosing among the Star Trek nerds. So the Star Trek nerds, there are, let's go up here. How many? There are 10 of them, right? So here's what we're choosing from. We're choosing 10 and we're picking 2. And what is the probability that they like Star Wars? So I'm going to go to this guy and I'm going to say 8, pick 2. That's a little tricky. Is it you're choosing 2 students? 2 students. Oh, sorry, was I doing E? Sorry, I just did F, huh? Did I mess you guys up? Sorry. If you did it by hand, here's what you would say. I got 10 kids. There are 8 that like both. And then the next one, there are 7 kids and I've got 9. Will I give you the same answer? It will. It will. I'm going to stop here. You can do E. Well, I'm going to have you practice. We're going to practice and then we're going to walk. And I am goodbye, people. I'm going to come around and help.